Good morning, grade 10. Now, inshallah, we are going to explain new lesson, which is called Measuring Matter. Measuring Matter, about a new module, which is called mole. New module is called what? Is called mole. Okay, so the beginning in the measuring matter. Measuring matter. Chemists use the mole to count atoms, molecules, ions, and formula units. So, what's meant by mole at the beginning of session? Word mole means to account atoms, molecules, ions, and formula units. Okay, it's called chemists. It's called mole. Okay, so who can answer me? What's meant by mole? Mole. Abdullah Bray. Abdullah Bray. What's meant by mole?
Yes.
Yes.
Where is it?
Mole.
To count atoms, molecules, ions, and formula units.
It's okay. Thanks, Abdullah. This is a mole. After that, the essential question that you are going to study. Number one, how is the mole used to indirectly count the number of particles of matter? It's okay. It's the first. Second question, what is the common everyday counting unit to which the mole can be related? Question number three, how can moles be converted to number of representative particles? Representative particles and vice versa. It's okay. So this is a question that you are going to explain. Question number one, Abdullah Al-Anazi. Question number one.
Yes, Mister. Yes.
Read question number one.
How is mole used to indirectly count the number of particles of matter?
It's okay. Thanks. Hadith, read question number two. Abdullah Al-Hadith. Read question number two.
Yes, sir.
Read question number two, Abdullah.
What is a common everyday connecting
Counting unit
to which the ليش هذه؟
to which the mole
The mole can be related.
It's okay. Gurney.
Yes.
يلا يا قصير اقرا اخر سؤال. Question number 3.
How can moles be converted to number of representative particles and vice versa.
Vice versa. Okay, thanks يا قصير. After that, الله أكبر الله أعظم عظمتك. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله، أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله، أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله، أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. Okay, guys, the vocab that we are going to study and the vocab that we studied before. Okay, the vocab that we studied before, which is called molecule, and we studied before what's meant by molecule. Who can answer me? What's meant by molecule? Ahmed Al-Anazi. What's meant by molecule, Ahmed? I think that we studied before the meaning of molecule. What's meant by molecule? Do you know, Ahmed? Do you know?
No.
Okay, Ahmed, listen to me after that. Mazen, what's
مستر
me?
مستر
What? Yes, Ahmed.
ترى سعود عنده مشكلة في النت، ما قدر يدخل قبل شوي، بس الحين يقدر
هو
يدخل.
هو مين؟
حربي.
سعود الحربي؟
يس.
هو يعني انا لو عملت له فتحت الميتنج هيدخل؟
ايه.
قول له بسرعه يدخل دلوقتي على طول. هفتح الميتنج
يلا.
واقفله تاني. يلا بسرعه.
اوكي.
الو.
يا سعود.
لا هذا نايس.
يا مازن، سعود دخل ولا لسه ما دخل سعود؟
باقي بيدخل.
لا اله الا الله. وين سعود؟
جاوب استاذ جاوب.
ايه دوري.
سعود الحربي. سعود. Do you سعود؟ Are you سعود or not؟ توك سعود.
مستر صار لي ساعة أحاول أدخل.
سعود, I said before that I will make look for the meeting after 7 minutes from 11:30 to 11:37. Now we have
كان عندي
now.
مشكلة مستر.
Okay, can you send me about WhatsApp? Okay, can you send me about my WhatsApp?
الواتساب هو المشكلة، خربان عندي، فأكلم أحد دائما عشان يرسل لي.
استاذ
تمام ماشي خلاص. الحمد لله على السلامة.
ما أرسل لي بدري فعشان كذا تأخرت.
خلاص.
مستر اجاوب.
جاوب يا مازن.
انا بجاوب. انا
ايه دوري.
تنيل انت يا جير نقعد. يلا يا مازن جاوب.
Molecule
What's with my molecule?
is the simplest unit of chemical substance.
Yeah, simplest unit of chemical substance that can consist of one
Or two atoms.
or two or three, two or more atoms, different or similar. It's okay, as we said before, that if molecule consists of similar atoms, okay, it will be called as element molecule. If it consists of different atoms, okay, it will be called as compound molecule. It's okay?
Okay.
Okay, after that, the vocab that we are going to study: number one, mole. Number two, Avogadro's number. Number one, mole. Number two, Avogadro's number. Okay, number one, mole. Number two, Avogadro's number. Okay, after that, counting particles. Number one, chemists need a convenient method to accurately counting the number of atoms or molecules or formula units of a substance. How can we account this? How can we account number of atoms or molecules or formula units which enter in our chemical reaction by meaning which is called the mole? So the mole is the SI base K unit used to measure amount of substance. Okay, so after that, 1 mole is the amount of atoms in 12 gram of pure carbon, as carbon because it's a common atom that all students know. Okay, pure carbon 12 or 6.02 times 10 power 23 representative particle, which is any kind of particle or an atom or a molecule or a formula unit or an electron or an ion and etc. So 1 mole of amount of atoms in 12 gram of pure substance or 6.02 times 10 power 23. It's the mole. Okay, it's the mole. Okay, after that, the number is called Avogadro's number. So 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro's number, and it's a fixed number. Avogadro's number, it's a fixed number, which equals 6.02 times 10 power 23. Okay, so 1 mole is a fixed number, which equal to 6.02 times 10 power 23. It's okay, and mole represents what? Number of ions, number of molecules, number of atoms, number of formula unit. Understand? Understand, guys, or not? So, who can read the first paragraph? Who can read the first paragraph? Mahmoud. Mahmoud. What is Mahmoud?
Mister, you don't unmute me.
Okay. Yes, Mahmoud.
Chemists need a convinced method for accurately counting the number of atoms, molecules, or formula unit of a substance.
It's okay. Thanks, my friend. Muhammad Arif, read second paragraph, Muhammad.
Yes. The mole is the SI base unit used to measure the amount of a substance.
Okay, thanks. Tamim. Tamim, read third paragraph, Tamim. Yes, Tamim. Third paragraph.
موجود أستاذ.
Okay, read third paragraph, Tamim.
طيب أبشر. 1 mole the amount of atoms in 12 gram of pure carbon, negative 12 or
no, not negative. It's called carbon 12, not carbon negative 12. It's called carbon
okay.
12 as its mass number.
Okay, carbon 12 or 6.02 multiply 10 power 23 formula unit, an electron and an ion, and so on. The number is called Avogadro's number.
Avogadro's number. Tamim, please listen to us and not leave to any work. It's okay. You understand me, I think. Don't move to any work. Okay, and okay, observe what I said. It's okay. Okay, Tamim. Okay, Tamim. After that, the converting between moles and particles. How can we convert between moles and particles? It's okay. So, yes, Saud Al-Harb, what do you need?
مستر بس لك حضرت لي مستر
آخر الحصة إن شاء الله أحضرك إن شاء الله، لأني سجلت الغياب الحين. في آخر الحصة هعيده وأحط لك فيه تاني. تمام؟ بس إذا غادرت الغرفة أثناء الحصة كل سنة وأنت طيب إن شاء الله، وألف ألف مبروك. تمام؟
إن شاء الله.
Okay, Saud. Good luck. Conversion factors must be used. Conversion factor, it's called what? To convert any particle. Okay, so it will be equal 6.02 times 10 power 23 particles. Okay, it's a mole of particle. Any mole of any particle consists of 6.02 times 23 times 10 power 23 particles. It's okay. As what? As number of molecules in 3.50 mole of saccharose. Okay, so how can we get number of molecules? How can we get number of molecules in 3.50 mole of saccharose? We are going to make multiply. Multiply what? 3.50, which is number of moles, times Avogadro's number. 6.02 times 10 power 23. It's called Avogadro's number. And I said before that any mole of substance equals to Avogadro's number. So if you have, as this example, if you have 3.5 mole of saccharose, what about number of moles? Well, or sorry, what about number of molecules? How can we get it? Number of molecules equal number of mole, which equals 3.50 times Avogadro's number, and it's a fixed number. Avogadro's number 6.02 times 10 power 23 molecule. So the 3.50 mole of saccharose has 2.11 times 10 power 24 molecules. Understand me? Any problem till now? Okay. After that, okay, it's a number of representative particles. Particles to moles. How can we convert particles to moles? By the same method. By the same method. Yes, Mazen, what do you need, Mazen?
Sorry, Mister, but can you repeat the?
I will
The
repeat
last
it.
again?
I will repeat it in this example, in the following example, as the same.
Okay.
Okay. So particles to moles. How can we convert particles to moles? It's a vice versa. It's a vice versa. Number of representative particles equal 1 mole divided by Avogadro's number. Okay, imagine it's opposite to number of moles. Okay, number of molecules. If when we get number of molecules, so it will be equal number of moles times Avogadro's number. But how can we get number of moles equal what? Number of moles equal what? Equal number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number, as this. So we said before, okay, as this. To convert mole, to convert any, how can we get number of molecules? How can we get number of molecules equal what? Number of molecules equal number of moles times Avogadro's number. Number of moles times Avogadro's number equals this number, molecule. So it's number of molecules. Number of molecules equal what? Number of molecules equal number of moles times Avogadro's number. Okay, in the following slide, how can we get okay, number of representative particles as this equal what? Equal number of molecules divided Avogadro's number. So it's number of mole. Vice versa. Okay, if it's vice versa, as it's what? As it's a triangle. It's a triangle as we said. Can we draw it as this? This is triangle. Okay, as this. Okay, so number of moles equal what? And number of moles equal what? Number of moles equal number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number. Okay, number, if we get number of moles equal what? Equal number of molecules times Avogadro's number. Molecules times Avogadro's number, which is equal 6.02 times 10 power 23. Okay, it's fixed. So number of moles equal what? This. Number of moles equal number of molecules. Okay, this is number of moles equal what? Number of moles equal number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number, and vice versa. Okay, and vice versa. This is number of molecules. Number of molecules. Okay, and this is mole. This is number of mole. So number of molecules equal number of moles times Avogadro's number. Okay, what about number of moles? Number of moles equal what? Equal number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number, as this. To get number of moles, equal what? Equal number of molecules divided Avogadro's number, as this. Okay. Okay. Any problem till now? So who can answer me? Who can answer me? How can we get number of moles? Ibrahim. Ibrahim. Where is Ibrahim?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ibrahim. How can we get number of moles?
We times the number of the representative particles
Yeah,
times
not time is divided. Number of moles equal number of molecules divided Avogadro's number.
yes.
Okay. Okay, Mazen, how can we get number of molecules? Number of molecules.
Yes. We divide number of molecules, the molecules divided by the Avogadro number.
Not divided. Not divided.
Times.
Yes, I said before that number of molecules equal number of moles times Avogadro's number. It's very important. Okay?
Yes.
It's very important. محمد عارف.
Yes.
عارف ولا مش عارف يا محمد؟ عارف.
Hello.
عارف ولا مش عارف يا محمد؟
عارف.
عارف. طب خلاص. How can we get number of moles?
Number of moles
Yes.
is number of representative particles
Yes.
times 1 mole over 6.02 times 10 power 23 particles.
So it's called what? It's called the number of moles. Number of moles equal what? Equal number of molecules divided Avogadro's number. Okay? Yes. Number of molecules divided what? Divided Avogadro's number. Okay, understand till now?
Yes, yes.
Any problem?